Hey guys, it's Ashley from Heavenly Hills Homestead, and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to be making a strawberry patch from scratch. We've got this area over here. It's kind of terraced and there's nothing really going on but grass in it. So we are going to turn it into a strawberry patch so we can have a perennial strawberry garden on our homestead here. So come along with us, we'll show you how we like to do it. Okay, so you can see we've got kind of a terraced area here and there. It's covered in grass and weeds. Even though there's an apple tree right here, it actually gets a lot of sun because the sun comes from behind the camera here and then it sets behind me. So there's a lot of sun here. It'll be perfect for strawberries. And but first we need to kill all the grass. So I love to do lasagna gardening for this. You basically layer down a bunch of cardboard and then on top you put a bunch of compost and then you cover the compost with some wood mulch. So we got to lay down the cardboard first, and then tomorrow we're going to be getting compost. So, and then we already have some mulch. So here we go. Okay, so we've gone through the cardboard that we have right now. We have some friends who are giving us a bunch of other cardboard. As you can see, this cardboard does not have to be nice. Junkier the better. It's just gonna break down anyway, so it does not have to be nice boxes. In fact, I tell people when I reach out to some friends to see if anybody had cardboard, I said it does not have to go pretty. It's just going in the garden. So if it's broken, if it's crumpled, maybe it got wet, it does not have to hold anything. It just has to be laid down flat. And that's what we do here. I leave the paper tape stuff on. Amazon really likes to use that papery tape, but the plastic type tape I take off because that's not gonna break down. And then we might get a little windy, so I'm going to wet down this cardboard so it kind of stays put until we can put the compost over it tomorrow. So yeah, this is a nice way to do it if you don't want to till. Maybe you don't have a rototiller, and it's great because it kills the grass underneath. We used a rototiller last year in the big garden because it's just such a big space, and we weren't gonna get enough cardboard for that. I have seen some people who will get the big rolls of butcher paper that's just the paper, it doesn't have the wax or the plastic on it. That stuff can work great too. I just don't have any of that on hand and I'm not wanting to buy any. This is a perfect solution for people on a budget trying to make a little garden space, especially if it's just a small space. You know, this is maybe 200 square feet of strawberry garden is what it's going to be. Okay, so we finished our strawberry beds and we have our strawberry plants. I'm not going to plant these just yet because we're going to get some more rain in the next couple of days and it'll help prep this bed a little bit better. So you saw we layered the cardboard and then we layered a thick layer, couple inches of compost, and then we put mulch, wood mulch bark on top to, one, help insulate the cardboard and compost to break down and get the soil really happy and healthy, and then also to prevent a ton of runoff. It's springtime, so we're getting lots of rain, and if we didn't have the mulch here, all of that compost we just had and just bought to put here would run off and be a total waste of money. So in a couple days, we're gonna take these strawberry starts. I have two different kinds. They're ever-bearing strawberries. One is a Seascape and one is the All-Star. I have 100 strawberry plants. And we probably won't get any fruit this year since we're establishing this bed, but next year and following years we will get strawberries, and this will be an established perennial strawberry bed. So, or I guess two different strawberry beds. Really excited about it. We probably will put a little bit of a border around with some rocks that we just have here on the property to kind of distinguish the bed a little bit. But yeah, that's about it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below of what your big garden projects are this spring. You might be in a different area where you already have a bunch of plants in the ground and you're already getting produce out of your garden. We're not quite here yet, or not quite there yet with our garden, because in North Idaho we're still getting frost every now and again. So it's just not safe to put all my plants in the garden yet. But we are starting to do some direct sowing, do the strawberries and that sort of stuff that are a little bit more hardy or a little bit more cold weather friendly. But in the next month, we will be planting everything in June to get in the garden and start harvesting. So you can see the weather is beautiful. So I'm gonna go do some more projects and enjoy the weather. So give us a like, give us a subscribe, tell me what you're up to in the garden these days, and until next time, welcome to the homestead.